Chlorofluoromethane. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, fluorine has 7 valence electron, but here we have 2 chlorine, so multiplied by 2. Fluorine has 7 valence electron. So totally we have 4 plus 1, that is 5, plus 7 times 2, 14, plus 7. So 5 plus 7, 12, plus 14 equal to 6, 26 valence electron totally. This 26 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms. Let me connect. For connecting atoms, just place 2 dots. So for connecting we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Now satisfy octet of outer atom first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet and duet. Octet, 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 duet. This is the octet of central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond, 4 bond it can form. Plus it is least electronegative, plus hydrogen is always considered as outer atom. So this is the Lewis structure. We can replace this bond pair by a line, thus we will get a structural formula, or another way of representing Lewis structure for chlorofluoromethane. You have to write the name of the substituent alphabetically in IUPAC, chlorofluoromethane.